Southern Kitchen. Today I'm going to be revisiting an old 3-year-old, one of my first videos. It's garlic Brussels sprouts with prosciutto. I've got 2 pounds of Brussels sprouts here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to quarter these. Then I've got, how much is this? A packet of, 6-ounce packet of prosciutto. And this is a pain in the butt to get off, but I'm going to take these all off and chop them up. And I've got some minced garlic, some butter, and salt and pepper. And I will meet y'all over at the stove whenever we get all this done. Be back shortly. Alright, I've got about 3 tablespoons of butter in my pan, and I've chopped up a little bit of prosciutto. What I'm going to do now is I just want to crisp this up a little bit. These Brussels sprouts, me and Tony would not touch Brussels sprouts before. Now we both love them. Tony is addicted. This is one of Tony's favorite meals besides the cheeseburger. He can eat these every week. Alright, I'm going to let these crisp up, and then we'll bring you back to the next step. Alright, I'm going to turn this down to medium-low. You like my new scooper? I got it from Pampered Chef. My sister had a party. I've been getting so many invitations to Pampered Chef, and I'm just not that into Pampered Chef. Oops. But I got this, and we needed an ice cream scoop. Alright, I'm going to let this cool for a minute because I am going to
ice cream scoop.
I'm going to add a couple more tablespoons, maybe 3 more tablespoons of butter. And here are our Brussels sprouts. Put in there. Add some salt and pepper. You don't have to add too much salt because the prosciutto's a little salty. And I'm going to add some minced garlic. Yeah, I want to get it. I'm going to add the rest of this butter, so you want to use a total of a stick of butter. And I promise you it won't be greasy. Alright, now all I do is I'm going to cover this, and I've got it cooked on medium-low, and it's probably going to cook a good 15-20 minutes. But I'll let you know the time. Alright, we'll bring you back whenever it's almost done. Alright, these aren't anywhere near done, but what I want to do is I want to add the prosciutto back in here so it gets the flavor all throughout while it's cooking. And throw it around, that's not bad. Alright, I just want to show you how this is what I want to do, so I wanted to get the flavor, the prosciutto flavor all throughout them. Alright, be back soon. Alright guys, these cooked about 25 minutes. This is our garlic Brussels sprouts with prosciutto. I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscription. Hit a subscription, sorry. And when you do, hit that bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment and share this out on your social media. You'll be seeing this again. This is just temporary. This is going with something else. So, alright guys, thank you for joining me. Everything's ready. Bye.